Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a TypeScript VSCode extension which allows you to uh, significantly improve the highlighting of error messages which occurs inside your TypeScript files. So as I hover onto this, it will show you the entire error in detail, that type number is not assignable to type string, and in detail you can actually see what sort of error is there. So there is this extension that you can install here. So go to the extension and simply type for this extension, which is pretty ts errors, pretty TypeScript errors. So this is actually the extension here. It's almost used by 1 million developers. So simply click the install button and enable this extension. So what does it do? It actually makes your TypeScript errors more prettier and more human readable form. Now if you make any sort of error inside your TypeScript file, it will highlight with this red swiggle error message. Apart from that, if you hover onto that, it will also show you this nice little pop-up message which will explain you what this error message is all about, and it will tell you more information why this error message is taking place. So the expected types comes from property name, which is declared here on type user. So type number is not assignable to type string. So it simply tells you that name is of type string here. So that's why you provided a number value. So here we need to change it to string. So in this way you can fix your error messages again on age as well. It will tell you that entire thing. So because if you don't have this extension, the default behavior of error highlighting is very bad. So if you do the highlighting for errors, if you don't have this extension, then it's comes with a default which doesn't provide you with much information. So I found this extension to be very useful. So you can install this if you want to prettify or make your human TypeScript errors more human readable form. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.